In this video, you're going to learn how to avoid the mistakes that other people typically make whenever they are simplifying expressions. Let's start with the expression on the top left. In this expression, we have 6 divided by 2 times by 1 plus 2. Typically, whenever you're doing order of operations, we have something called PEMDAS, where it is P, which stands for parentheses, the E stands for exponents, then we have the MD, which stands for multiplication and division, then we have A and S, which is addition and subtraction. Some parts that a lot of people get wrong is that they forget that the multiplication division, it really is whichever one comes first from left to right. So if division shows up before multiplication and it is first on the left, we start with the division. If multiplication's first on the left, then we start with multiplication. The same is true with addition and subtraction. It's whichever one comes first from left going to right. Those are some mistakes that a lot of people make. So let's go ahead and look at our first expression. So let's start with our parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have 1 plus 2. Well, there's nothing else besides the 1 plus 2, which would give us 6 divided by 2 times by 3. Okay, do we have any more parentheses? Well, the 3 is still in parentheses, but there's nothing happening with the 3, so we move on to the exponents. There's no exponents, so we are going to do multiplications and divisions, whichever one comes first from left to right. Notice with this one we have division first before multiplication. So this would be 6 divided by 2, which gives us 3. Then we are going to do the multiplication, which gives us 9. If we did not know the rule about multiplication divisions, we would say, well, let's do the 2 times 3, which gives us 6, divided by 6, which would give us 1. Because we know that it's multiplication division, whichever one comes first from left to right, we now know that our answer would have to be the one on the left. So the 9 would be the answer to this problem. Moving on, let's go ahead and do the expression underneath this one. We have 8 divided by 2 squared times 3 plus 2 times 5 minus by 1. So let's start with the P, which stands for parentheses. We have parentheses, which is 5 minus by 1. So this would be 8 divided by 2 squared times by 3 plus 2 times 4. Well, nothing else is happening in that parenthesis, so let's move on. Do we have any exponents? Well, we have 2 squared. Remember, 2 squared is like saying 2 times 2, which gives us 4. So this would give us 8 divided by 4 times by 3 plus 2 times 4. Do we have any more exponents? Well, no. Moving on, we have multiplications, divisions. Again, whichever one comes first, from left going to right. So we have a division first, which is 8 divided by 4, which gives us 2. Let's go ahead and write the rest down. Then after that, we have no more division. We have multiplication, so 2 times 3, which gives us 6. We did the one on the left first. Then we're going to do the one on the right, 2 times 4, which gives us 8. And there's no more multiplications or divisions, so now let's do our addition and subtractions. Well, we only have addition, so this would be 6 plus 8, which gives us 14. Moving on to the top right, we have the expression parentheses 4 plus 2 cubed, close parentheses, minus by 2 times 3. Same thing, let's start with our parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we notice we have some stuff going on. We have a 4 plus 2 cubed. There's nothing else happening in there except for an exponent and an addition. Well, exponents go before addition, so let's do the 2 cubed. 2 cubed will give us 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So that would be 4 plus 8 minus by 2 times 3. Well, no more exponents inside there. So now let's finish up this parenthesis. So we have 4 plus 8, which is going to give us 12, minus by 2 times 3. Inside the parentheses, there's nothing else going on, so we move on. No more exponents. So now let's look at the multiplications, divisions. We have a multiplication of 2 times 3, which gives us 12 minus by 6. And last but not least, our subtraction. So we have 12 minus by 6, which gives us 6. Moving on to our last expression, we have 7 minus by 7 divided by 7 plus 7 times 7 minus by 7. PEMDAS. There's no parentheses. Move on to exponents. There's no exponents. Multiplications, division. Well, we have this 7 divided by 7, which shows up first from left to right, so we have to do that. So this would be 7 minus by 1 plus 7 times 7 minus by 7. Moving on, we have this multiplication, 7 minus by 1 plus 49 minus by 7. Remember, we want to do them from left to right. Then we have addition and subtractions. So we do 7 minus by 1, which gives us 6 plus 49, minus by 7, which gives us 6 plus 49, which is going to be 55, subtracted by 7, and that is going to give us 48. And that is our answer.